This is one of the best note-taking apps that I've ever used. This app has one of the most smoothest writing experience and you can get them on both Android tablets as well as an iPad. The app is called Nebo. I have featured this app on multiple videos of mine, but then I realized that this app deserves its own video. This app can very well be better than GoodNotes, by the way. Let's start off with the organization first. The navigation panel is on the left hand side. You can very easily create new folders based on your different projects and subjects, and you can organize them more efficiently. You can also color code your notebooks as per your liking. Also, you can drag and drop your notebooks for an easier arrangement of your notes. So in case you are new over here, hey guys, my name is Prithviraj. I'm an electronic music producer, a part-time gamer, and I also try to make videos. As per the UI is concerned, everything is laid out in front of us. It has quick toggles for different pen options and colors. You can also change the page layout as per your liking. You can import PDFs of your books very easily on this app, and you will be able to take book notes or even highlight important notes. Being able to access your entire book straight inside the app would be really useful. Also, you can add and import photos inside this app. It has a lot of text formatting options. You can convert your text into bold, underlined, double lined, etc. When it comes to the writing experience, I personally think that is more suited towards myself. If you have previously watched my video where I compared GoodNotes with Notability, then you might remember that I explained the types of writing over there. It all comes down to whether you like a calm and composed writing experience or you rather prefer a more faster writing experience. I prefer a more faster writing experience since I chose GoodNotes over Notability. But for Nebo, it's a completely different scenario. It has the speed of GoodNotes and the execution of Notability. My ugly handwriting doesn't really look that ugly in Nebo. The writing feels so smooth that sometimes I feel you can actually do some great digital art on this app. Also, I would really appreciate if you could smoothly hit that subscribe button. And I'll keep bringing you more videos on productivity and tech. You will be able to take class notes very quickly using this app. Nebo has this feature where you can simply scribble off your text when you make a mistake and it will erase that for you. GoodNotes recently introduced this feature, but as far as I remember, Nebo actually had this feature for a while now. Rather, whoever introduced this feature first, it's not really our concern, but the thing is that it can be really useful. You don't have to feel lazy to pick up your eraser tool again. You can simply scribble it off to erase your mistakes and it's super useful. After the new update, Nebo has also added some AI features. It's basically like having ChatGPT built inside your notes app. You can either use the chat feature to add in your prompts or you can simply write something down and hit on the explain button. For example, you can simply write Cristiano Ronaldo and hit on explain and you can see the results for yourself. This is more useful than some of the weird AI features that GoodNotes have introduced. For a very long time, the most useful feature of Nebo was that Nebo allows you to convert your handwritten notes into text, and it's also included in the free version. This is really useful, to be honest. You never know when you might actually need to convert your handwritten notes into text, and it also does a pretty good job detecting my handwriting. Simply take the selection tool or the lasso tool and hit on convert. Among various other things, this app can be a really good one for handwritten note taking. On top of that, this app should fall inside your budget quite well. The free version offers all the features from the start, just that you can create a few notebooks. The paid version is, however, fairly priced, to be honest, and it's only a one-time payment, so yeah, that's the good part. Do give this app a try. And also, if you'd like to check out some more note-taking apps, then click here for Android and click here for iPad. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you there.